Hello students, how are you? Hope you are fine at home and studying well. Today we are going to start chapter 1, Flying South. In this chapter we will learn about the migratory birds. Migratory birds fly from one place to other place due to very cold or hot. So start reading. Two children spot an injured goose that was separated from his friends. Yes, you can see here two children. What they see? One goose and that was injured. That means harmed and was separated from his friends. That means disconnected from his friends. Find out how the children and their mother help the goose reunite with his friends. We will see in this chapter that how the children and their mother help the goose to rejoin with his friends. It was freezing, that means there was very cold. Jim and Molly went out excitedly to see the ice on the lake. Yes, Jim and Molly was very excited to see the ice that was on the lake. At once Jim saw something white on the ice. Yes, Jim saw something white on the ice. You can see here what Jim had seen. Now what he is saying? Molly, look below. That rock, a wild goose. Yes, Jim is pointing towards a goose and saying, Molly, look, below that rock, a wild goose. What Molly said? He's not dead. Is he? I hope he is not dead. That means she is saying that goose is still alive. He is not dead. Next. No, he is not dead. Now Jim is saying that the goose is not dead. He is hurt. That means he is harmed and he is freezing out here. He is freezing due to cold air. Now Molly replied he needs help. That means goose needs help. Let's take him inside. Now they are helping goose. They will take goose inside. See in the picture, they are with the goose. When they went inside, father looked at the goose. You see here, father looked at the goose and what he replied? This is a snow goose. Yes, father is saying this is a snow goose. He was probably flying south for the winter with the other geese. That means this goose was flying. Perhaps he was flying south for the winter with the other geese. His wing is injured and he needs food. Father is saying that the goose is injured and needs food. Molly and Jim put water and some corn for the goose. As father suggested, what they did? They put some water and corn for the goose. After a while, the goose ate some corn. In a few days, he was eating all that they gave him. That means goose was recovering and that's why he was eating all that they gave him. Now mother said, just what do you think you will do with the goose? Mother is asking to Jim, what do you think you will do with the goose? What Jim replied? I think we'll let him fly south when his wing heals. That means when his wing heals, that means when his wing repairs, they will fly him. His wing won't heal this winter. After winter, he could fly with the other geese. I don't know what he would do after being here all winter. Yes, mother said that it will take long time. That means this winter wing won't heal. It will take this season. And he would do after being here all winter. What the goose will do here? What Molly is saying? Let's keep him with us forever. Molly is saying that we will keep the goose forever. That means always we will keep goose. Mother said we shouldn't keep birds as pets. That is crime. We should not keep birds as pets. They should be free. How do we ensure that the goose will be safe once he is set free? Now, see here, children are asking that how do we ensure that, how do we certify that the goose will be safe once he is set free? Later in the day, Molly found a picture of an aeroplane. Yes, see, Molly having a picture of aeroplane. Under the picture was written, fly south for the winter. That's what a goose wants to do. I see him beat his great wings. Yes, Molly, look here in the picture, is very happy. She said that what a goose wants to do. Next, Molly ran to her mother. Mother, would a plane take a goose south for the winter? She is asking to mother that, mother, would a plane take a goose south for the winter? Mother is saying yes, if the goose were in a crate. That means mother is saying that if we have crate, that means we can send goose. But a crate would be very costly. Can we find out how much it would cost? Now Molly is asking about the cost of crate. We are too far away from the airport. Mother is saying that we are very far away from the airport. I guess you can write to an airline. Jim will help you. So mother is saying that they should write to an airline and Jim will help. So they did the same. They returned to airline. So Jim and Molly wrote a letter. After a few days, a man came to see them. See here, a man came to see them. He was carrying a box in his hands. So you can guess this box is a crate. What do you mean by crate? A large wooden box for transporting the goose. Now what man said? I am a ranger. What do you mean by ranger? A keeper of a forest. Did Jim and Molly wrote to the airline? I have a box for them. So he came with a box. Why? Because Jim and Molly wrote to the airline about the box. That's us. Now from onwards, we will read in our next video lesson. In live session also I explained you this chapter. आपको बच्चों ध्यान से चैप्टर को पढ़ना है एंड इंग्लिश टू इंग्लिश ही समझना है. फिर भी आपको कोई डिफ़िकल्टी आती है तो आप मुझसे लाइव सेशन में शेयर करेंगे. थैंक यू एवरीवन.